Step 1. We wish to check the sealing effect first. In the first video, the toothpick is not fed into the paper at the moment, and the color printing function is also currently inactive. Step 2. Once the sealing effect is confirmed to be satisfactory, we will proceed to test the color printing function. Subsequently, the printing design will be aligned and collaborated precisely on the packing paper after adjustment.
下料不下料？
现在没有下料。Okay, it is without a toothpick filling. Step 3. Upon confirmation that both the sealing and the color printing functions are performing correctly, we will initiate a full test running using actual toothpicks. This involves feeding the toothpicks into the paper, followed by the automated sealing process to produce the final correctly packed products. Thank you for choosing BESTA machine. Our machines are widely exported to more than 35 countries. We aim to provide you the high-quality machine and excellent service. We offer expert consulting service. We also provide OEM service. For more detailed machine information and a price list, don't hesitate to contact us. Welcome to visit our company website. Welcome to email us. Welcome to subscribe our channel. Thanks for your kind watching.